Vitamin A deficiency acts as a silent thief, robbing your body of essential nutrients without immediately visible consequences. However, this deficiency can have a profound impact on your health. It weakens your body's defenses, leaving you vulnerable to infections and other health problems. Understanding the importance of vitamin A and recognizing its deficiency symptoms is crucial for maintaining overall well-being. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. It's essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and bones. It also supports cell growth and the immune system. While severe deficiency is less common in developed countries, milder forms can still occur, leading to subtle but significant health issues. The symptoms of vitamin A deficiency can be easily overlooked, often mistaken for other conditions. This is why it's important to be aware of the subtle signs and seek medical advice if you suspect a deficiency. Early detection and intervention can prevent long-term health complications. One of the most common symptoms of vitamin A deficiency is dry eyes, a condition known as xerophthalmia. This occurs because vitamin A is essential for maintaining the moisture and lubrication of the eyes. When deficient, the eyes become dry, itchy, and irritated. In severe cases, it can lead to corneal ulcers and even blindness. Beyond dry eyes, vitamin A deficiency manifests in various ways. Skin problems are another common symptom. The skin may become dry, rough, and prone to infections. Hair loss, brittle nails, and delayed wound healing can also occur. These symptoms highlight the importance of vitamin A in maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Furthermore, vitamin A deficiency can affect the respiratory system, making individuals more susceptible to respiratory infections. It can also impair the function of the reproductive system, leading to fertility problems in both men and women. Recognizing these diverse symptoms is crucial for early detection and treatment. Vitamin A plays a critical role in supporting the immune system, acting as a shield against infections. It helps maintain the integrity of the mucous membranes, which act as a barrier against pathogens. These membranes line the respiratory, digestive, and urinary tracts, preventing the entry of harmful microorganisms. When vitamin A is deficient, these mucous membranes weaken, compromising the body's first line of defense. This makes individuals more vulnerable to infections, particularly respiratory infections like pneumonia and bronchitis. Children with their developing immune systems are especially susceptible to these infections. Moreover, vitamin A is essential for the production and function of white blood cells, the body's soldiers that fight off infections. It enhances the activity of specific white blood cells, such as lymphocytes and macrophages, making them more effective at targeting and eliminating pathogens. Adequate vitamin A levels are therefore crucial for maintaining a robust immune response. While milder forms of vitamin A deficiency are more common, severe deficiency can lead to serious health problems. In developing countries where access to nutritious food is limited, vitamin A deficiency is a major public health concern, particularly among children. One of the most severe consequences of vitamin A deficiency is blindness. Prolonged deficiency can lead to xerophthalmia, which can progress to corneal scarring and ultimately blindness if left untreated. This highlights the devastating impact of vitamin A deficiency on vision and overall health. Furthermore, severe vitamin A deficiency can increase the risk of other health problems, including anemia, growth retardation, and increased susceptibility to infections. It can also affect fetal development during pregnancy, leading to complications for both the mother and the baby. Addressing vitamin A deficiency is crucial for preventing these severe health consequences. Preventing vitamin A deficiency starts with a balanced and nutritious diet. Fortunately, many foods are rich in vitamin A, making it easy to incorporate this essential nutrient into your daily meals. Focusing on a diversified diet that includes a variety of these foods is key to maintaining adequate vitamin A levels. Foods rich in vitamin A are often brightly colored, reflecting the presence of carotenoids, which the body converts into vitamin A. Orange and yellow fruits and vegetables, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, mangoes, and apricots, are excellent sources of vitamin A. Dark leafy greens, like spinach and kale, are also rich in this essential nutrient. Animal-based foods, such as liver, dairy products, and eggs, are another good source of vitamin A, providing it in a preformed, readily absorbable form. Including a variety of both plant-based and animal-based sources of vitamin A in your diet ensures a well-rounded intake of this crucial nutrient. Creating a colorful plate filled with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other vitamin A-rich foods is the best way to prevent deficiency. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day, incorporating a rainbow of colors to ensure a diverse intake of nutrients. Don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and cuisines to discover delicious ways to incorporate vitamin A-rich foods into your diet. Try roasting sweet potatoes with herbs and spices, blending mangoes into smoothies, or adding spinach to your favorite pasta dishes. By prioritizing a healthy and balanced diet, you can ensure that your body receives an adequate supply of vitamin A. This will help prevent deficiency and protect your overall health, allowing you to thrive and enjoy a vibrant life.